John Van Leen in New Zealand, Sotheby's International here in the Manawatu, Feilding in fact. We all know how gorgeous Feilding is. What a great community they have here. 143 Ranfurly Road. It is the pinnacle of close in to the city, town of Feilding, and of course the farm location just on our doorstep there. 324 square metres of sublime architecturally designed house. You'll see the cladding systems. We've got 4 bedrooms, we've got a study, we've got 3 living areas and a drop-dead gorgeous aspect all over Feilding and Palmerston North, but bounding onto rural land. But the man shed, well, it clearly is a workshop of scale in the same design as the home. So let's have a wander through. It's a beautiful property and we'd love to show you through. What a delicious home and setting, just sublime as I've said. Downstairs we've got wonderful living and indoor-outdoor flow without question. We all love that, Kiwis, don't we? A bedroom and of course bathrooms and internal access garaging. And here I am upstairs, equally as delicious, with those picture postcard views across rural land and of course right across the region. The master bedroom, what a suite that is. Large, sun-drenched, a massive ensuite, massive walk-in wardrobe, and of course the kitchenette. Well, we all want one of those morning cup of teas, don't we? And then there's 2 further bedrooms and of course a bathroom, so it caters for everyone. What a magnificent property here at 143 Ranfurly Road in Feilding. Call us, you'll need to see this one very quickly.